But let me take you guys inside and show you what I use to schedule my plans, to schedule my day, to structure my day, and everything I do between. So let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, cool. Let's do a quick, brief breakdown of my calendar here for my Google Calendar. So I usually use Google Calendar to structure my day. And if we were to take a look here, all right. So 4 a.m. we wake up, we shower, we drink some water. After that, only takes about 10 minutes to do, which is fast and easy. Then we go straight to meditation, or we just do our daily gratitude prayers and all things to start the day. After that, it takes about 70 minutes max, and then we go straight to plan the day. Um, I usually open up Google Calendar, start planning the day, what I want to do, what needs to be done. So I usually hit the most important task first in the morning, and yes, so that's done. So it takes about a few minutes to do that, or less or more, depending on what's going on that specific day. Next, we go straight to mobility exercise. So we basically try to get our body to wind up for the day, because I believe it's very important. We do get not movement but mobility exercise, so we don't have any aches in our body, just to make sure we're all lubricant. And then next, after that, if I feel like it, well, basically it's a necessity and an essential to keep our body moving in the morning. More movement, more energy, more creativity. So yeah, we commute to the gym. It takes about 10 minutes to reach the gym, depending on what's going on. If it's traffic, hopefully it's not. But yeah. So we head to the gym. We do some workout. I go to gym. Yeah, we stay there for about 30 minutes. So we do high interval training. Basically, I go there. First thing I do is, since we already did our mobility exercise beforehand, now I can get straight to work. So we go inside. I do a 10-minute bike cycle just to get the blood flowing in my body, get my mind straight, and yeah, good straight 10 minutes. After that, no, just right after 10 minutes, I go straight to movement training. So I try to do more mobility exercise with high energy burst of movements. So I go and do kettlebell trainings for 20 minutes straight. I just try to have fun with it. Try to implement more new styles, more rhythm to this training. So after my training is done, I get everything I need beforehand before heading home. So I usually get water, get my food ready, and everything I need for the day. After that, we continue with my marketing business. So I do have an email marketing business that I do run. It's still a baby, but I'm still working on it day by day. I do it for about 3 hours. So I try to get clients, leads, so I can help them with their small businesses or big business, depending on who I target. The niche is very wide for this business, so yeah. So that's already done. I already did my calls, my cold calls. Luckily, I didn't run into any angry businessmen or women, and they were all friendly to offer me details, and I gave them my website, barpacificmarketing.shop. Check it out. Okay, so after that, now we're on YouTube. So I'm working on YouTube. So I basically take 3 hours, same time as my business, get it out of the way. I do want to focus more on YouTube and generate revenue through here, or just create on YouTube and just continue to work on my YouTube channel, and where it would take me on my journey here. So I take 3 hours of my day, 2 hours actually, sorry, 2 hours of my day straight YouTube, No distraction, just straight creating content. After that, we have no lunch. Usually people take lunch breaks, but I don't. I usually get straight to work again. Um, for this one, I try to learn Japanese. I have about 20 to 40 hours learning Japanese. I can read and write Japanese, but speaking is still undergoing, still under development. Arigato gozaimasu. So yeah, YouTube, learn Japanese 1 hour straight. After that, I try to learn accounting because I have a business to run. So I need to learn how to do accounting and make sure that I know what a profit and a loss is, what a fixed asset is, what all of these things are. So it's just part of, you know, life. Basically, if you're an entrepreneur, someone like me, you need to learn accounting. So yeah, so basically I take 1 hour of the day for that. Learn marketing. That's another one too. I try to keep it structured. I know marketing is the lifeblood of every business, so, and that's basically my business right now. So I try to learn marketing. Next would be drawing. You know, that's one of my hobbies that I really find passionate about. Drawing 1 hour. After that, to create a new resume, just in case I need some side income. If I were to like apply for a new job, that's gonna be part of the works for today. After that, I try to read a book for 45 minutes. The book I'm reading currently is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's a really good book. I suggest people should read it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a summary, a personal summary and opinion about this book. I'll go ahead and provide some input and information of what I think is the best takeaway. Next, oh, by the way, so you can see everything here is different colors. So every time I drive or go somewhere, I usually color code it green. And when I say for prayers and gratitudes, I color code it blue. Wake up, that looks like pink or light pink, I don't know. YouTube, red, of course. And all of these things, I'm still debating which color to put them in. Next, yeah, so green here, Community Beach Road. I usually, just to end the day, I would like to end the day on a positive note with a little bit of nature and movement. So I just do this, I just go, get my mind off things because I did a lot today. I'm doing a lot today, so you need a refresher. Our brain can only hold so much information. You cannot just do everything. So it's basically wind down. Next, after I just do it for maybe an hour. After that, I go home. Green again. After that, I eat my dinner. So, in the morning, I bought my dinner. So I'm set. I don't have to go out and eat. I don't have to go somewhere. Get my dinner, eat. So I have a fasting video. You can check it out. I only eat once a day. And I believe this is the most optimal for better performance. And that's how I do it. That's just my lifestyle. Next, I plan for the next day. Take a few minutes. After I plan the next day, I'm done. I did everything I could do within my power to do what I can and take control. I feel like everybody should start planning their day. Have a game plan. Have something they're working towards. It can be anything. You plan your day. When you plan to fail. When you don't plan, you plan to fail. You already failed. You have all the energy. You have so much energy. Might as well use it to do something. Channel it. I channel my energy for self-improvement and productivity. so my value goes way high. Yeah, I feel everybody should do that. Like, they should just start planning their day. Plan the day for the next week, how far you want to go. I usually use AI to help me structure my day the best way I can structure it, so I don't have any gaps. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. wind down. I usually, like, maybe just wind down, just watch a movie, love people, you know, message whoever you want to message, just wind down, do whatever you want to do. Just make sure you don't, the person, you know, for me personally, I don't do anything that's gonna spike my dopamine, you know, which is very hard to do because I like doing things that are high dopamine. Yeah, all right. So after that, sleep 10 p.m. No excuses, just straight sleep. That's it. Every day is like this. But this something like this is better than nothing, you know. I don't want to be walking around not knowing what I'm doing. That's just weird. All right, so cool. All right, you guys got the hang of it, and this is my how you say it again. This is my structure routine of what I do, hour by hour, hour by hour. Yeah. All right, cool. See you guys later. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, or if you like my channel and want to learn more, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, and drop that follow, and I would appreciate it so much, because one of my goals right now is to reach, well, 100 subscribers, and then 100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, and 10,000 to 100,000, 100,000 to 1 million subscribers. Yeah, can you guys help me out? Yo, go for it. All right, cool. Later.